Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. To change your age on Tinder, you must go to your profile settings and delete your account and create a new account with your correct age. But if you want to change the age range of the people you see on Tinder, follow these steps. On the top left corner of the home page, tap your profile icon and tap Settings. Here, scroll down and you will find Age Range. Drag the indicators to change the age range. Choose the age range that you are looking for and toggle on Only show people in this age range. And that's how you change your age range on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.